Hello children, we are going to start with practice set 53. Question 1. Factorize the following expressions. Now we know all the expansions there, we are going to use them. First, p square minus q square. So here a equals to p, b equals to q. Expansion of a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Therefore, p square minus q square equals to p plus q, p minus q. Next, 4x square minus 25y square. Now here we will simplify this term. 4x whole square is given. So we'll take in bracket 2x whole square. If I simplify this, you will get 4x square. Similarly, 25y square equals to 5y whole square. If you expand this, you will get 25y square. So here a equals to 2x and b equals to 5y. By using the expansion formula, you will get 2x whole square minus 5y whole square equals to 2x plus 5y into another bracket 2x minus 5y. Y square minus 4. Y square is the square term only, but 4 we can write as 2 square. Now it became y square minus 2 square. Here a equals to y and b equals to 2. By expansion formula, y square minus 2 square equals to y plus 2 in another bracket y minus 2. Here p square minus 1 by 25 equals to p square minus 1 by 5 whole square. Here a equals to p, b equals to 1 by 5. So p square minus 1 by 5 whole square equals to p plus 1 by 5, p minus 1 by 5 using the expansion formula. Next, 9x square minus 1 by 16y square. Here a equals to 3x because 3 into x whole square will be 3x and 4 y whole square. Got it clear? So value of b will be 1 by 4 y. Expansion of 3x square minus 1 by 4y square equals to 3x plus 1 by 4y into 3x minus 1 by 4y. Next, x square minus 1 by x square. Here a equals to x, b equals to 1 by x. By expansion formula, x square minus 1 by x whole square equals to x plus 1 by x into another bracket x minus 1 by x. A square b minus ab. Here you see what we can do. A square b minus ab. I can take a is taken common in one step. So square term a is coming out. What is left is ab. And a is taken out. So what is left is only b. In second step it is done. B taken common from these two terms. So ab is outside the bracket common and a minus 1 is left. A minus 1. Don't say 0. Here it will be 1. You can take AB term also common. Next, 4x square y minus 6x square. Which term will come out? 2. So 2 is coming out from 4 and from 6, 2 is coming out. So it is left 3. So 2x square y minus 3x square is left. Now x square is common here. For these two terms, we can take x square common. What is left? In bracket 2y and 3 only. So 2x square common, 2y minus 3 is left in bracket. 1 by 2y square minus 8z square. So factorize this. 1 by 2y square. Now this is not the bracket. So it will not be upon 2 square. Huh? So it is 1 by 2y square minus 2 into 8 upon 2. Why? Because half we can take common. So adjustment we are doing here, 2 into 8 upon 2 z square. So 1 by 2 taken common. What is left? Here y square minus 1 by 2 16 z square. 1 by 2 we will take common here. So 1 by 2 into y square minus 16z square. So 1 by 2 common, and 16 we can write as 16z square as 4 into z whole square. Simplify like this. Now this is what? A square b square. So here 1 by 2 is common only. A square minus b square. A is what? Y, and b is 4z. So y plus 4z, y minus 4z. How to write? You see the brackets. Next, 2x square minus 8y square. 2 is taken common, so what is left? X square minus 4y square. From this 2, again 4y we can write as 2y whole square. 2y whole square for 4y square. So x square minus 2y whole square. Here you will get, by expansion formula, x square minus 2y whole square as x plus 2y, x minus 2y, and 2 common by expansion formula. I am sure with this we end this chapter. In the next video, we are going to study the new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time. God bless you. Thank you.